Of course, today's another project day. This one is of grand importance to the culinary scene. We are building a mount for our Magma Gas powered stainless steel grill on the side of the boat. Let's show you what we got. Okay, this is the gas grill. So now we want to build a mount for it. And we've got these 4 holes right here. So we're going to cut some angle, bolt it to the bottom, and it'll stick out about this far. And then we are going to use clamps to clamp it to the railing. Let me grab a clamp and show you how that's going to work. We use these stainless steel, I'm going to call them Bimini hardware, because that's how you find it. To clamp around the stainless steel tubing on the handrails. And we'll, of course, dress this up to where it's nice and tight and provide secure mounts for the grill. So let's get to marking and cutting some angle. As you can see, these clamps don't fit perfect, and there's a gap. And I've done this before to get better fit. Right here at the jaw, they tend to make contact first before the body. So I take and grind a little bit of that out with my die grinders. I've got some carbide bits here that I cleaned that up with and get a good fit before I mount anything. Little extra step, but I like the results better. We've got our angles cut and got them marked. So let's do some drilling. And of course, we use our trusty center punch. And then quickly vacuum up them shavings. Hey, you touched the red dot, that's all. Then, okay, we got the brackets made.
I'll turn it off. But it's good to have someone that can record.
Yeah.
They can do zoom in, zoom out, things you can't do.
Right. Yeah, they call the monkey the Monroe County Jail waiting room. We call Sisters Creek the FWC waiting room.
Had you ever heard that before?
No.
That's pretty funny, though. The Monroe County Jail waiting room. Well, because there's so many places the cops can sit around there and say, oh, we're not really watching it. They could be over at Publix, you know. Mm-hmm. And when you pull out, they're right on your ass. They have a likely suspect.
But I know you didn't stop for iced tea. Oh wait, that's what I do.
Yeah, that catches the drippings.
Now, I put the angles in and it won't go in because now that's too wide. So let me just trim that. As you can see, the height of the screws we used, so we'd put the nuts on the inside, is interfering with the drip pan. So we're changing them out with some small bolts, got a head on both sides, and I can get a wrench in here and tighten them up. That's just going to let all the grease run out if it don't sit flat. So, little modification to the mounting. And today's project is complete. We've got the grill mounted. So, open her up, fire it up, throw on the fish, throw on the steaks. All the drippings go overboard, securely mount it to the rail. Just hook up the gas, and it is time to barbecue.